Let's start with computer class.
Hello students, welcome you all. Today we study with the practical of Window Explorer. Okay, so what do you mean by Window Explorer? Window Explorer is an application that provides detailed information about file, folder and drive. Okay, so Window Explorer is an application. What it will provide? It will provide you detailed information about the files, folders and drives. Okay, now I will tell you how to open Window Explorer. Okay students, to open Windows Explorer in your computer or laptop, you have to first click on the start button. Okay, you have to first click on the start button, then you have to click on the all programs. Okay, then you have to click on the accessories. Click on this. Now find Window Explorer here. Click Window Explorer. Okay, students, see, this is the window of Window Explorer. Okay, here you can manage or organize your files and folders. Window Explorer helps you to manage and organize your files and folders. Okay, so this is the method of opening Window Explorer. One more method is click on the start button and then click on the computer option from the right pane. See, this is the right pane. Click on the computer button. Okay students, see, this is the Window Explorer. Okay, this is the Window Explorer. Okay, so I told you two methods to how to open Window Explorer. Okay students, you have various file, folders and drives in the in the left pane. Okay, in the left pane you find various folders, various drives and various files. So see here, these are drive. Okay, these are drive: local disk C, local disk E, local disk E, local disk F, and this is the pen drive. I have connected name of your pen drive written here. Students, now I will explain the components of Window Explorer. Okay, see here, this is the address bar. This is the address bar. Library is selected, so that's why in the address bar library is written. If you click on any drive, like I have clicked on the local disk D, see, the address now changed. It is computer folder and subfolder is local disk D. Okay, if you click on desktop, see, the address changed to desktop. Okay, if you click on any network folder here, see, address change. Okay, so this is the address bar. Okay, it shows the complete path of the selected file or folder. It shows you the complete path of the selected file or folder. Okay, you can select any of the file and folder from here and see the address bar. Okay students, see here, this is the search bar. This is the search bar. Okay, this is the search bar. Students, see here, this is the view. This is the view button. This is the view button. This is the view button. You can click any of the view. If I click on extra large icons, see, icons are very big in size. If I click on large icon, see, Icons are big but not as big as extra large. If I click on medium, see the icon is of medium size. If I click on small icons, icons are very small in size. See, these are icons, small. Okay, this is called icon. If I click on list, these are in the form of list. If I click on details, then the file and the folder which is in this drive show you the various details. When the file is created, it show you the date, time and the type and the size also. Okay, so this is the details. If you click on the tile, see the icons are medium in size. It show you the type of the file, it shows you the size of the file. Okay, next is content. See, this is the content. Students, when I click on the content view, these are in the form of rows. Okay, it also shows you the when your file is modified, time and date. Okay, this is in the form of content. So this option will show you the various views of arranging your files and folders. Okay, so these are the components. This is the address bar, this is the search bar, these are the views, extra large icons, large icons, medium icons, small icons, list, details, tiles and contents. Okay, these are the drives, these are the folders. If I click on any folder, these are the contents related to this folder. Okay, when I click on any drive, see, if I click on this folder, there are various subfolder in it. A folder contain subfolder or files. Okay, students, now I will tell you how to create a folder. Okay, first of all, right click on the blank area of the desktop. Right click on the blank area of the desktop, then click on the new button, then click on the folder. Okay, see, you can change the name also from the backspace key. You can rename it. Okay, so this is the method of creating a folder. First of all, right click on any area, blank area of the desktop, then click on the new and then click on the folder. Okay, now I will tell you how to move or copy a file or folder from one drive to another. If you want to move or copy a file or folder from one drive to another, how you can do that? Students, I am showing you how to move a file or folder from one drive into another drive. Okay, see, I have clicked on D drive. Okay, and I want to move any folder to another drive. Okay, just right click on, first of all select the drive that you want to move. I want this folder into another drive. Okay, first of all I have left click on this and then click on organize button and then click on copy. Okay, and then I have choose another drive and then click on organize and paste. Okay, students, see that folder is copying into this drive. Okay, D to F drive. See, the folder that I have copied from there moved to this drive. Now I'm checking that this folder is also in that drive. See here, because I use copy and paste. Copy and paste means this file is copied and pasted into another drive. Okay, students, if I use cut, okay, for example this or this, okay, first of all click on this, then click on organize, then click on cut, and then choose another drive, and then click on organize, and then click on paste. Okay, students, now the folder that I have cut from D drive is now pasted into F drive, but the folder that I have cut is not now in that drive. Okay, because I have cut, see here, no, so I have used cut. Okay, so this is the method of moving or copying file or folder from one drive to another. Now I will tell you how to move or copy a file or folder between storage devices. Okay, between storage devices. If I want to paste in any pen drive or CD DVD, I can also do that. See, this is the F drive selected, and I want to copy this folder. I want to first of all left click on this. I want to copy this folder into my pen drive. Okay, so select your pen drive and organize, and then paste and click on the paste. Okay, see, the data, the folder which I have copied from F drive is now moving into your pen drive. Okay, this is your pen drive name, and the data is copying from this drive to this storage device. Okay, okay students, see, now in this pen drive your folder is copied. This is the method of how to copy or move a folder into your pen drive or any of the storage device. Okay students, now I will tell you how to delete a file or folder. If you want to delete any folder, see, I want to delete this folder. First of all, click on this, left click. Okay, this is selected. Now click on the organize button. Basically, organize button in Window Explorer contains all the options like cut, copy, paste, undo, select all, layout, folder, delete, rename. Okay, I want to delete this folder which I have selected. Click on delete. Then the delete folder window come. It will ask you, are you sure you want to permanently delete this folder? You say yes. Okay, now this folder is deleted. Okay, now this folder is deleted from here. Students, now my next topic is restoring a file or folder. Students, if you by mistake, if you have deleted that folder will go in the recycle bin. Recycle bin contains deleted files. If I want to restore it again, then I have to click on the recycle bin from the desktop. Click on this. Okay, then you can also restore that file. Okay, okay, see, this is the folder. If I click on right click on this, then click on restore, then your students, if I want to delete any folder, just click on that folder and then click on the organize button and then click on the delete option. Okay, it will say you, are you sure you want to move this folder to the recycle bin? You click on yes. Okay, then that folder is deleted from this drive. Okay, students, now I will tell you how to restore that file or folder. Students, if by mistake your folder is deleted and you want to restore it, then from your desktop click on the recycle bin as it contains the deleted file or folder. Just click on this and click on the organize button. Right click on this and click on the restore button. Okay, now again go to your drive. See, your folder is restored. Okay, so you have to just right click on this and restore it. Okay, students, so today we study how to open Window Explorer. First of all, click on the start button, then click on the all programs, then click on the accessories, then click on the Window Explorer. Okay, another method is click on the start button and then click on the computer from the right pane. Okay, you can click on the window or Window Explorer contains various files and folders and drives. You can manage, you can organize your files and folders in this. See, these are the drives, these are the files and folders. This is the address bar, this is the search bar, this is the view button. Okay, class.
My name is Mansi and you are watching my channel Amazing Art and Craft. Please like and subscribe my channel.